Detangling is probably the most challenging part of every naturals wash day routine. So, in this tutorial, I am going to share my step-by-step process along with tips for detangling all types of curly hair. Tip number 1, start with a clean slate. Shampoo your hair. In my experience as a stylist, the number one reason clients had so much trouble with detangling is because they were trying to do so on dry hair or with mixtures of oils and other substances prior to washing, which inevitably adds to the buildup and debris present in the hair. Cleansing products have surfactants, which are surface active agents that envelop dirt particles and break up old product so it can be rinsed away, leaving a nice clean strand ready to be conditioned. Tip number 2, use an actual detangling tool. I see so many people using combs and brushes that are not technically designed for wet hair application, so it results in more time, structural damage, and overuse of conditioner. Using a proper detangling tool will decrease the amount of time it takes, keep your hair from unnecessary breakage, and let you use less product. I am going to use the Tangle Teezer Naturally Curly Hairbrush to show you what I mean. Their brushes have two-tiered teeth technology, making them suitable for wet hair, but not for use with thermal tools. This brush in particular was made with naturally curly and coily hair types in mind to decrease detangling time. One of the things I like about this brush is the teeth are long and firm yet flexible to help remove knots, shed hair, and reduce breakage during the detangling process. The short teeth smooth the cuticle, making hair frizz-free on the styling end. The curved handle is slim and easy to grip, so I can move comfortably through all the sections of my hair. Tip number 3, apply your conditioner, massage it in, and section your hair. Conditioners have emollients that soften hair and quaternary compounds that create the slip you feel. They may take 20 or 30 seconds to activate in the hair, so applying your conditioner, smoothing it through your hair, and then making sections will give it time to settle in before you begin to detangle. How many sections you create depends on the density of your hair and really what's easiest for you to manage. If needed, you can section your hair before the cleansing part of this process and wash one section at a time if it keeps you more organized and less overwhelmed. Also, because I am going to use this Tangle Teezer, I don't need a lot of conditioner. Now, I know you all love to pile it on, but you're wasting your product that you complain costs so much. A good quality tool will keep you from needing to overdo it on the conditioner. Tip number 4, separate sections with your fingers and then use your brush. I like to gently pull chunks of hair apart before going in with my brush. It takes some of the pressure off the midsection of the hair where most of the tangle will be, especially when you have longer hair. Tip number 5, start from the bottom and work your way up. Detangling from the bottom helps you get through the midsection and up to the roots with less manipulation and tension. As you are working your way through, use your non-brush hand to guide the hair into the brush. When you are working with textured hair, you have to be intentional about supporting the hair in the brush. You can't be all loosey-goosey with the hair and just ever so softly barely touching it. With confidence, grab the section of hair and situate it in the brush so the teeth can glide as they were designed to do. If you are in the detangling Olympics, you shouldn't be. It should not take you hours to do this. A quality tool makes all the difference, and this brush is helping me fly through this detangle in under 10 minutes. Tip number 6, once you are done detangling, clean your brush. I don't mean just rinse it off. I mean remove all of the hair from the teeth. Use clarifying shampoo. Clean the brush and disinfect it so you don't have any bacteria in the brush for your next use, and to keep the integrity of the brush over time so it stays in good shape. Dirty tools can lead to an undesired scalp condition, and that is completely preventable with proper sanitization. After your clean tool is dry, store it in a place that keeps the teeth from being pressed or mushed in a drawer. After cleansing, conditioning, detangling, and setting my hair I have a defined, bouncy wash and go that took less than an hour to do, and I am good for the week. If I made all of this sound super easy, it's because it's supposed to be. Natural hair care should not be an all-day affair. Before you get ready to say, well, Mo, every hair type is different. I know that, and I have styled hundreds of heads of hair, and every curl type, density, length combination, and the most it takes with the most lioness heads of hair is around 20 minutes on the Detangle. So open your mind and incorporate these tips. Let's recap. You can make detangling easier by starting with a clean slate. Shampoo your hair. Use an actual detangling tool. Apply your conditioner, massage it in, and then section your hair. Separate sections with fingers and then use your brush. Start from the bottom and work your way up. Once you're done detangling, clean your brush. I hope these tips help you make your detangling process a lot easier on wash day. In the description box below, you will find more information, including where to grab your own Tangle Teezer naturally curly hairbrush or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.